Question number 3. So one of his other delivery drivers makes him a bet that McDonald's buys, on average, more buns than Jack in the Box. So again, this is a one-tailed t-test because it's got the word more. It thinks McDonald's is going to buy more than Jack in the Box. One sample t-test. So let's do this. I'm going to delete that. So let's do this independent t-test because we got 2 groups. First group is Mackie D's. The second one is Jack in the Box. So I'm going to go to Data, Analyze. Same thing, 2 tests, 2 sample, assuming equal variance. Click OK, and I think these numbers are fine. You could check, right? So for variable range 1, that's the McDonald's. Starts at B1, goes to B27. Let's just double check on that. And it's not going to let me. And then for Jack in the Box, starts at C1 and it goes to C27. I'm assuming that's going to be okay. Plus, we included the labels, and we're going to put the output. Let's put it right here, I guess. Boom. Click OK. And there is our output. It has all our information in it. And again, let me just get it on the screen for you guys. And I'll make it more bigger. All right. So McDonald's on average 61.8. Jack in the Box on average is 59.2. So McDonald's did have a higher average, and their variances were not exactly the same, right? The variances were much greater for McDonald's, which means that the spread of the data for McDonald's was a lot more spread out than it was for Jack in the Box. But let's go see if it was significant. And again, it was a one-tailed test. And since 007, Bond, James Bond, since that's less than 0.05, we get to say, yes, there was a significant difference. And we go back to the means, and that tells us that McDonald's does, in fact, sell significantly more buns than the Jack in the Box. So who won the bet? That McDonald's buys more. So the driver won again. So if I was this manager, I'd tell him, knock it off. Don't bet against the drivers. They seem to be knowing what they're doing, okay? So, but that's how that worked. Hope it helps. MGZ out.